Okay, let's do another one of those. What am I going to multiply that by? And this is actually called rationalizing the denominator, is what it's called. What am I going to multiply it by?
6 plus the square root of 5.
6 plus the square root of 5. Top and bottom. Okay. All right, on the top, I'm going to go 6 times 1, which is 6. Then I'm going to do the outside, which is the square root of 5. Then I'm going to do the inside, which is 12 on the square root of 5. And then I'm going to do the last, which is 2 on the square root of 25. Okay, now some of these you're going to be able to write down. On the bottom, I'm just going to do first and last. 6 times 6 is 36. Minus, because it's going to be a negative times a positive, the square root of 25. Okay, then I break down. Can't do anything to the 6. Okay, I can combine these two. What do I get when I combine those two?
18.
What's right here?
And square root.
That's just a 1, right?
Mm-hmm.
So I have
Oh,
1 on the
I
square
didn't
root.
see it.
Okay, so it's 13 on the
I
square
see
root of
plus
5.
sign between.
Yeah, there's a plus right there between them. Okay, then here, the square root of 25 is what? 5. So 5 times 2 is 10. Oh, wait a minute, I can put the 10 with a 6, so that's 16 plus 13 on the square root of 5. Then on the bottom, I have 36 minus 5, which is 31. And I check. Is there anything that will go into 16, 31, and 13? No. So that's where it stays, right there. Okay? All right, I'm going to give you one to try. Okay? Maybe one time. Okay.
So you don't have to, for some reason I thought, so square root of 3 minus 5, and you do the opposite, so it's plus 5. But then I thought the top would.
No, the top, it's like multiplying it by 1.
Right.
The bottom and the top have to match right here.
Oh, okay.
Okay, that's
Once
the
you're
only
good.
way you're allowed to do it.
Oh, okay.
Okay, because I can multiply anything times 1 and have it not change it.
Okay.
And so I can't just randomly change up a problem. So as long as I'm multiplying it by 1, I'm allowed to do that to manipulate the problem. Okay? Yes, no, maybe? And I will say, a common way that people do this, and it's fine either way, I don't care either way. they will get the negative off the bottom. For some reason, that's a more acceptable way. So what they do is they divide everything by -1 or multiply everything by -1. So they'll write this answer like this. Please understand, that's the exact same thing, okay? So like when I go to read your answers tomorrow, I might read them like this, or I might read them like this, but that doesn't mean that's wrong, okay? So you'll have to stop me and we'll talk about what it could be, all right? All right, I'm going to give you your homework. Okay, and it's the same page as that second part of your homework before. Okay, it's on page 293. Now, if you remember right, we did a couple of these. So I want you to do 31 and 32, because those two we skipped. And then do 35 through 59, and we'll just do odd. Okay, because that gets you the rest of that in there. Okay, now pay attention to whether you're doing all this stuff is mixed up in there. Everything that we've talked about today.